Oriflame Skin Care expertise comes from almost 50 years of advanced skin care research. The uniqueness of our skincare products derives from a special combination of naturally sourced ingredients, advanced technological knowledge, and scientifically proven results.
We get our inspiration from nature and we combine with the best of science. So it's really cool to develop such great products. And each of our products are supported by consumer or clinical tests. In fact, every year 7,000 panelists participate in our tests, meaning that we want to confirm and deliver to our consumer the very best.
Our skin is our natural first line of defense against external aggressors. And that's why maintaining healthy skin is so important, because it's a crucial indicator of your overall health.
You can personally influence up to 80% of your skin's aging. That's actually scientifically proven. Of course, some aging factors, they're already written in our DNA. But most of how our skin ages depends on our personal choices and how we treat our skin. That's why Oriflame offers a variety of brands to match different women's needs and to help them achieve younger-looking skin, so you can look as young as you feel.
Ever since the foundation of Oriflame, the main focus has been on skincare. But what makes the Oriflame Skincare unique? Well, first, it is the commitment to the usage of natural ingredients. It is the commitment to performing products with clinically proven results. It is also the commitment to Swedish quality standards. And the personal recommendation is based on your individual needs.
Discover Oriflame's unique, innovative skincare ranges. Whatever your needs, we offer you the very best in skincare. For more information, contact your Oriflame consultant or visit our website.